Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tools Guys. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the AMZCHEF Masticating Juicer Machine. I've already unboxed it, so let's dive right into what comes with it, how to set it up, and test it out. Here's everything that comes with the AMZCHEF Masticating Juicer Machine. We have the main juicer body, the juicing auger, the juice strainer, the juice and pulp containers, the feeder chute, and the pusher. It also comes with a cleaning brush and a user manual. Let's set it up. First, attach the juicing auger to the main body. Next, secure the juice strainer in place. Then, attach the feeder chute on top. Finally, place the juice and pulp containers in their respective positions, and we're ready to go. Now, let's talk about some of the key features of this amazing juicer. The AMZCHEF Juicer Machine features a 7-spiral masticating system. This ensures maximum juice yield, minimal oxidation, and preserves most of the nutrients. It's perfect for extracting juice from fibrous fruits and vegetables like gingers, celery, and oranges. This is not just a juicer. It can also be transformed into a meat grinder or slicer shredder. Just attach it to the hub, and it becomes a versatile kitchen appliance. Truly a multi-functional machine. The small feeder chute is a great safety feature, especially if you have kids helping out in the kitchen. It allows you to remove seeds before juicing to reduce bitterness and maintain the original taste of the juice. It's also incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble for cleaning. Plus, it's equipped with intelligent protection chips, making it stop automatically every 20 minutes to prevent overheating. The reverse function helps prevent jamming and makes cleaning a breeze. All detachable parts are made of high-quality, food-grade materials. All right, let's see it in action. I have a fresh apple here. I'll cut it into smaller pieces to fit into the chute. Simply place the apple pieces into the feeder chute and use the pusher to gently press them down. The juicer does all the work, extracting the juice while separating the pulp. Look at that, fresh apple juice with a beautiful color. So there you have it, the AMZCHEF Masticating Juicer Machine. It's versatile, easy to use, and produces high-quality juice. If you're looking for a reliable juicer that offers great functionality, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching.